Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious steak fajitas. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our marinade for our fajitas. In a bowl, we're going to add a half a cup of orange juice or 2 oranges, a half a cup of pineapple juice, a quarter of a cup of lime juice or 3 limes, a quarter cup of olive oil. To that, we're going to add 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of New Mexico chili powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Going to mix it. And at this point, you can try your marinade and see if you want to add any more salt. Okay, to that, we're going to add 1 small onion. So just break it. Once we have our marinade, we can add our meat. I'm going to be using 3 pounds of flat meat. Just make sure that it gets nice and coated. Now we're going to cover it. And we're going to allow it to marinate overnight or for at least 7 hours. Okay, so here I already have my meat that I marinated last night and it's already at room temperature. So once we have it ready, now we are ready to begin cooking. Okay, so here I already have my comal set at medium-high heat. And once it's nice and hot, we're going to place our meat. So just grab it. And I'm going to be cooking my meat 3 minutes on each side. Okay, so after 3 minutes, I'm going to flip my meat over. And allow that side to cook for another 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, I'm going to remove the meat. And place it in a container. Make sure that you cover it. And repeat the process to the rest of your meat. Okay, so once we have our meat all nice and cooked, now we're going to reserve a quarter of a cup of the marinade along with the onions. And now we're just going to get ready to chop our meat down. Okay, so we're going to grab our steak and cut into strips, going against the grain. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to grab a grilling pan, set it on medium-high heat, and add a little bit of oil. Once it heats up, we're going to add our bell peppers. Along with the onions. And I'm going to be seasoning my vegetables with fajita seasoning. Now I'm just going to cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to add the meat, give it a couple minutes, and then we'll have our delicious fajitas. Alrighty, and after a couple minutes, we have our delicious fajitas. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So you can serve your fajitas however you like to enjoy them, in taquitos, burritos, however. I'm just going to be serving it today with a side of rice and avocado, and of course, my flour tortillas. So just like that, we have our delicious steak fajitas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as we do. My whole family enjoys fajitas, so you can never go wrong. And like I said, you know, you can serve it in so many different ways or just enjoy it like that. But the meat is just so flavorful and I am so ready. So hope you give it a try. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. It's so good. The meat, so tender, so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious steak fajitas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.